Hey there, wonderful people. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best bike conversion kits to help you turn your regular bike into an electric powerhouse. Whether you're looking for speed, efficiency, or a smooth ride, these kits have got you covered. All the product links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. This list is based on our personal views and takes into account ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, durability, and much more. So let's get started and find the perfect fit for your needs. Number 5 is the KUNTENG Bike Conversion Kit, a high-performance option that boasts a 2,000-watt brushless hub motor. Capable of reaching speeds of 55 to 65 kilometers per hour, it's a fantastic choice for those who want both speed and power. It supports a wide range of wheel sizes, from 20 inches to 700C, making it incredibly versatile. The kit includes the KUNTENG KT50A controller, known for its efficiency and reliability. Designed to handle various terrains, it features a hub motor with a torque of up to 94.6 newton-meters. Compatibility with both V-brakes and disc brakes adds to its adaptability. Whether you're tackling urban streets or countryside trails, this kit is ready to transform your ride into an electric beast. Number 4, we have the CSC Bike Conversion Kit, which focuses on practicality and smooth operation. Powered by a reliable 1,000-watt brushless hub motor, it offers enough power for daily commutes or leisurely rides. Its compatibility with tire sizes ranging from 26 inches to 700C ensures it fits most standard bikes. This kit features a rear suspension system that enhances stability and comfort on uneven roads. The motor shaft is built with M14 material, providing strength and durability for long-term use. Installation is a breeze, making it ideal for beginners venturing into electric biking. It also supports both V-brakes and disc brakes, adding to its safety and flexibility. With its CE certification, the CSC kit ensures quality and performance you can trust. Number 3 is the Someday Bike Conversion Kit, which offers impressive power and adaptability. Equipped with a 2,000-watt brushless hub motor, it delivers speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour, giving you an exciting and efficient ride. This kit supports multiple wheel sizes and is compatible with front and rear installations, making it versatile for different bike types. The 3-mode controller allows users to adjust settings for varied riding styles, from casual commutes to high-speed adventures. It supports both V and disc brakes, ensuring reliable stopping power. With a high-torque motor reaching up to 94.6 newton-meters, this kit is perfect for tackling steep hills and challenging terrains, making it a great investment for electric bike enthusiasts. Number 2 is the Little TT Bike Conversion Kit, a versatile and feature-rich option. This kit is compatible with various motor power options, including 250 watt, 500 watts, and 2000 watts, giving you the freedom to choose based on your needs. The brushless gear motor is efficient and quiet, making for a smooth and enjoyable ride. It supports wheel sizes ranging from 16 inches to 700C, accommodating a wide range of bikes. The KT LCD3 display adds convenience, providing real-time updates on speed, battery, and other critical metrics. With speeds reaching 65 kilometers per hour on its higher-powered configurations, this kit ensures a thrilling experience. Its compatibility with both V and disc brakes, along with its durable design, makes it a standout choice. Whether for daily commuting or recreational use, Little TT has something to offer every rider. Finally, the top spot goes to the BAFANG M315mm Bike Conversion Kit, renowned for its powerful performance and premium features. This kit is driven by a 750 watts or 1200 watt side-hung motor, delivering a maximum torque of 120 newton-meters for incredible power and speed. It's compatible with bottom bracket widths of 68 to 73 millimeters, making it suitable for most standard bike frames. The battery options include capacities of up to 20 amp hours, ensuring excellent range for long rides. It also comes with advanced safety features like a high-torque motor and a robust controller to handle various conditions. For those seeking top-notch performance and a seamless conversion experience, the Bafang M315 is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching.